Welcome back to Live Well Everyday Herb. Have you ever woken up feeling heavy, with stiff arms and legs, or even cramped muscles after just light movement, or worse, leg cramps waking you up in the middle of the night? Many people think it's just age or lack of sleep, but in fact, it's your body's way of signaling that there are silent inflammatory fires inside and a lack of nutrients needed for self-recovery. According to modern medicine, when muscle cells are damaged and not nourished with enough protein, minerals, and omega-3s, free radicals can build up, causing inflammation, soreness, and fatigue. In Eastern medicine, this is called qi and blood stagnation, when energy and blood flow poorly through the body, leading to aches, weakness, and restless sleep. Your health then slowly declines, just like a dim lamp when the oil runs low. The good news is that nature always provides ways for the body to heal itself. If we choose the right foods, eat them properly and listen to our bodies, we can help muscles recover faster, reduce inflammation, increase endurance, and sleep better without relying on medication. In today's video, I'll share with you 6 scientifically proven foods considered natural healers. They help reduce inflammation, repair muscles, and prevent cramps. Simple, familiar ingredients that, when used regularly, strengthen your body from the inside out. I'll also talk about the foods you should limit so you can stay flexible, pain-free, and full of energy every single day. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Live Well Every Day, and turn on the notification bell so we can continue learning small ways to live healthier, calmer, and happier together. Herb sparkling heart. Before we begin, let's understand why our bodies often experience inflammation, muscle soreness, and cramps. You see, inside our bodies, countless tiny reactions happen every day, too small for the eye to see. Every time we overwork, stay up late, eat irregularly, or stress too much, our muscle cells suffer microdamage. In response, the body releases inflammatory chemicals to protect and repair itself, a natural self-defense mechanism. But if we don't eat enough nutrients, don't rest properly, and don't drink enough water, these reactions linger and turn into chronic silent inflammation, the kind that happens quietly inside, leaving us tired, sore, and slower to recover with each passing day. According to modern medicine, silent inflammation is the root cause of countless health problems, from muscle pain and cramps to heart disease and diabetes. In Eastern medicine, this condition is seen as poor circulation of qi and blood, leading to an imbalance among internal organs. When this happens, the liver and kidneys function less efficiently, and the muscles lose proper nourishment. When the liver is weak, the blood isn't well filtered. When the kidneys are sluggish, fluids and minerals become unbalanced, resulting in stiff limbs, muscle fatigue, and frequent cramps, especially at night. I often say that our body is like a flowing river. When the water runs clear and steady, the trees around it flourish. But when the river becomes blocked and muddy, even if it looks calm on the surface, decay has already begun underneath. Our bodies are the same, only when qi and blood flow smoothly, and our diet is balanced, can we truly achieve lasting strength and wellness. That's why eating right isn't just about filling the stomach, it's about nourishing, restoring, and cleansing the body. And fortunately, nature has blessed us with many healing medicines, hidden in the foods we eat every day. Now, here are 6 scientifically proven superfoods that reduce inflammation, boost endurance, prevent cramps, and help muscles recover faster, keeping your body flexible, strong, and full of life. Everyday herb. Let's begin with the very first one, the king of foods for muscle and heart health, salmon. In modern medicine, salmon is considered one of the purest sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, 2 essential nutrients that act like repairmen for inflamed or damaged cells. When your body gets enough omega-3s, Silent inflammation in the muscles calms down. Blood vessels open up, and stiffness, pain, and cramps gradually ease away. Moreover, the protein in salmon is clean and easy to digest, helping the body quickly rebuild torn muscle fibers after physical activity while providing steady energy throughout the day. According to Eastern medicine, salmon belongs to the group of foods that nourish qi and blood, promoting smooth circulation, relaxation, and full body recovery. For older adults or anyone who exercises regularly, salmon is truly a golden food. It strengthens the heart, supports muscle endurance, and even helps improve sleep quality thanks to its natural tryptophan content. Just 2 to 3 meals of lightly steamed or pan-seared salmon per week, served with green vegetables and a few drops of fresh lemon juice, are enough to nourish your body, reduce inflammation, and build long-lasting strength every day. Let's move on to the second food, eggs. Eggs have long been known as a simple yet incredibly nutrient-dense food, often called the patient builder, that helps the body recover and rebuild muscles every single day. According to modern medicine, eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, the kind that the body cannot produce on its own. That's why eating eggs regularly is one of the fastest ways to nourish your cells and speed up muscle recovery after physical activity. Not only that, egg yolks are rich in choline, vitamin D, B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce mild inflammation, boost endurance, and support the proper function of the nerve muscle system. For older adults or those who often experience fatigue and muscle stiffness, eggs are a perfect choice to maintain stable energy levels, prevent cramps, and reduce post-work fatigue. In Eastern medicine, eggs belong to the group of foods that nourish qi and blood, calm the spirit, and restore energy. They help relax the mind and improve overall recovery. However, like any natural food, eggs should be eaten the right way to get the most benefit. It's best to eat boiled or gently steamed eggs, and avoid frying, as oxidized oils from high heat can trigger inflammation instead. Ideally, limit your intake to 3 to 4 eggs per week, which is just enough to nourish the body without raising cholesterol. Eggs are not just a familiar food, they're a natural tonic for the body. When used correctly, they help us stay healthy from the inside out, clear-minded, resilient, and full of vitality. Now, let's continue with the third food, fresh turmeric combined with black pepper. In modern medicine, turmeric is often called the king of natural anti-inflammatories, thanks to its active compound curcumin, which helps suppress silent inflammation in the body and promotes new cell regeneration. When muscles, joints, or internal organs suffer from minor damage, curcumin acts like a repairman, reducing swelling, easing pain, and accelerating recovery. However, here's something special. Curcumin's power multiplies when combined with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 20 times compared to turmeric alone. That's why the pairing of turmeric and black pepper is considered one of nature's golden duos for fighting inflammation, relieving muscle soreness, and boosting endurance. In Eastern medicine, turmeric is warm in nature, promotes circulation, breaks stagnation, and reduces inflammation, while black pepper warms the digestive system and helps blood and qi flow smoothly. Together, they strengthen the liver, detoxify the body, relieve aches, reduce bloating, and improve overall circulation. If you'd like to use it daily, you can mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or freshly crushed turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of honey into a cup of warm water. Drink it after breakfast, and over time, it can help reduce inflammation, brighten the skin, improve digestion, and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Now let's move on to the fourth food, avocado. In modern medicine, avocado is considered a perfectly balanced food, rich in energy, vitamins, and minerals, especially monounsaturated fats. The good kind of fat that helps reduce inflammation, boost endurance, and support heart health. Avocado also contains large amounts of potassium and magnesium, two essential minerals that regulate muscle and nerve function, prevent cramps, and help muscles contract and relax smoothly. What's more, avocado is high in vitamin E, a natural antioxidant that protects cells from damage, reduces fatigue, and supports muscle recovery after physical activity. For those who work under stress or move around a lot, avocado provides steady energy, prevents blood sugar crashes, and helps maintain mental clarity throughout the day. According to Eastern medicine, avocado is a yin-nourishing food that strengthens the spleen and lungs, cools the body, and improves skin radiance while balancing qi and blood. When combined with yogurt or oatmeal, it makes an excellent, light, and sustaining breakfast that nourishes the body from within. You see, avocado is like a gentle, faithful friend, not flashy, but quietly nourishing every cell. Just half an avocado a day can keep your heart, muscles, and nerves stronger without the need for supplements. A humble gift from nature with powerful, lasting benefits. Herb. Now, let's continue with the fifth food, spinach, also known as rao bina herb. In modern medicine, spinach is regarded as a mineral-rich powerhouse for muscles and blood circulation. It's loaded with magnesium, iron, calcium, and vitamin K, nutrients essential for maintaining smooth muscle contraction, preventing cramps, and keeping bones strong. When your body has enough magnesium, nerve signals travel more efficiently, muscles relax naturally, and you no longer feel that tightness or soreness after activity. In addition, vitamin K and iron in spinach improve blood flow and nourish muscle and skin cells, helping your body stay warm, flexible, and resilient. For middle-aged adults or people who sit for long hours, adding spinach regularly to meals enhances circulation, relieves numbness, and promotes deeper, more restful sleep. In Eastern medicine, spinach tastes sweet and is cool in nature, entering the liver and stomach meridians. It replenishes blood, moistens the intestines, clears heat, and relaxes the tendons. When combined with boiled eggs or pumpkin seeds in soup, it becomes a gentle yet nourishing meal that restores energy without causing heaviness or excess heat. Spinach is like a quiet caregiver, modest and inexpensive, yet steadily building endurance and vitality. Each extra bowl of greens at mealtime is a simple, natural way to invest in long-term health. Herb. Finally, let's explore the sixth food, pumpkin seeds. jack-o'-lantern. Don't be fooled by their small size. Pumpkin seeds contain a treasure trove of vital minerals, especially magnesium, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. These three nutrients work together to prevent cramps, repair muscles, and maintain steady energy throughout the day. In modern medicine, magnesium in pumpkin seeds acts as a key regulator for nerve and muscle function, helping fibers contract and relax smoothly to prevent nighttime cramps. Zinc boosts immunity, balances hormones, and aids cell regeneration, while omega-3s reduce inflammation and protect the heart. When these three come together, the body feels like it's wrapped in natural armor, stronger, more flexible, and far less fatigued. According to Eastern medicine, pumpkin seeds are sweet and warm in nature, helping to nourish qi, calm the nerves, strengthen digestion, and expel toxins. Ancient people used to roast and eat a handful of pumpkin seeds each day to increase endurance, reduce anxiety, ease sleep, and relieve numbness in the limbs. For older adults or those who exercise regularly, just 20 to 30 grams per day is enough to supply essential minerals, stabilize the nervous system, and strengthen the muscles naturally. And now, I want to share with you a very important part: the foods you should limit or avoid entirely if you want to reduce inflammation, speed up muscle recovery, and prevent cramps effectively. Modern medical research has shown that some foods, which may seem harmless, actually trigger inflammatory responses, making the body tired, weak, and slower to heal after exercise. In Eastern medicine, these foods are considered to block the flow of qi and blood, generate toxins, and overburden the internal organs. First, fried foods and red meats. They contain high levels of saturated fats and oxidized compounds that increase free radicals in the blood, leading to muscle inflammation and joint pain. Second, fast food, instant noodles, and processed foods. These are loaded with salt and preservatives, which disrupt electrolyte balance and make muscles more prone to cramps and fatigue. Third, carbonated drinks, alcohol, and strong coffee. These interfere with magnesium and calcium absorption, weakening the nerve muscle system. Lastly, refined sugar and sweet desserts. They accelerate inflammation and force the liver and kidneys to work overtime, leaving the body constantly tired and drained of real energy. Dear friends, true health doesn't come from expensive pills or fancy supplements. It begins with the simple choices we make at the dining table each day. When we understand our bodies, choose food mindfully, and pay attention to the small signals from within, every meal can become a natural remedy for healing. All it takes is a few daily habits. Add a little more green vegetables, a few spoonfuls of nourishing seeds, a serving of salmon or boiled eggs, and a warm cup of turmeric black pepper water, and you'll be helping your body reduce inflammation, strengthen muscles, and sleep better each night. Health doesn't come in a single day, but if we plant small seeds of care every day, we'll harvest long-lasting strength, peace, and vitality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to live well every day, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next simple and peaceful health tips I share. Wishing you good health, joy, and tranquility in every meal, every breath. See you again in the next video from Live Well Every Day.